going to check in because we going to Dubai. Because we going to Dubai. On the plane. I'm gonna put you right here. Actually, let me show y'all around. Why not? Okay, let me not be rude. This is my entrance. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Y'all, so I've never flown business before, but I felt like, you know, luxury trip, why not go all the way out, right? And then I'm telling you, this service is amazing. As soon as I got on the plane, they're like, can I get you some champagne? They showed me how to work all the buttons. They gave me sleeping clothes. What? Like, I got water, headphones, pillows, what do you call it, the mask for your face. So kudos to Qtar Airlines. Kudos. Feeling good. I really am. I feel like I can't fly anything else out of this. But yeah, we're on our way. Hello, so we are officially in Doha and we have to transfer to one more flight and then we're gonna be in Dubai. So we're just gonna go check, see where our flight's at and board it. So we have landed. We are at the Airbnb. It's really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a tour in the morning. Oh child. Right now I gotta unpack my clothes, take a shower, and catch my bed because I'm tired. And first thing in the morning we got a tour, so we're gonna be doing that. And I'm excited for the next few days in Dubai. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, beautiful humans of the internet. It is another day. It is the first day. I'm really excited to explore Dubai. So our plans are gonna change for a little bit, but before we talk about that, I just want to show you guys this. I love the view from this apartment. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, my camera is so foggy. Wow, it is so hot out here, guys. I think that'll work. Alright, so let me tell you guys what's going on today. So basically, today's tour was gonna be going to Abu Dhabi and just having a chill day, going to the mosque, just sightseeing basically. And then I found out that that's impossible. You have to be on a green list to get into Abu Dhabi, and we're not on the green list. So if you are deciding to go for an Abu Dhabi tour within, you know, the next couple of days or weeks, make sure you look that up. So I'm out 150 bucks for that because they said that I can't get a refund. So there's that. But I opted into a Dubai tour, which is gonna be later on tonight. Thank God, because I slept most of the morning away. I'm up now. It's about 2 o'clock here. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go to the mall, hang out there for a little bit, and then come back for my tour tonight. We're gonna go do we're gonna do a tour around the marina, go to the Burj Khalifa, and what else? I don't remember. But I mean, obviously you're gonna see, right? But we're not letting anything kill our vibe. We're gonna have a good time. I'm so great. I'm still excited. I don't think I gave you guys a tour of the apartment, but I will.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like pan.
Alright, final product. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Alright, so we're headed to the mall. We're extremely late, so we're gonna get going. Let's go.
Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, You want me to wipe it, I don't really show nothing but love.
We are in Chanel and we are buying a bag.
To wipe it, I don't really show nothing but love.
So we came to Dubai Mall.
Yes.
And Dubai Mall is actually like a luxury mall. It's everything, name brand. So we're kind of on a shopping spree, but a very small shopping spree.
That's not true.
Well, she doesn't want to buy anything. I asked her if she wants a bag.
I don't want to buy anything so expensive.
She doesn't want anything expensive. Well, okay, Mom.
My daughter is very expensive. She can go right ahead.
Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't.
Mama! We are on the move. We finished shopping basically. We got everything that we needed, right? Yep. Everything. And then now we're out.
That Friday, you take it all night.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go on our tour. We got a tour guide. Oh, it's so humid out here.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon.
This reminds me of Guyana's wall. The board, what is it called in Guyana, Mom? The place in Guyana where they the boardwalk, not the boardwalk, the wall where the water comes up in Guyana. What's it called? Seawall. The seawall. That looks just like the seawall, literally just like it, except better, prettier. We are here at the Atlantis entrance. Is this the entrance?
This is the main entrance.
Yeah. Oh,
And that's the middle one, the bridge.
yeah.
That's the one I was talking about.
Okay.
That's where they make movies.
They do lots of movies. Yes, we have a lot of.
I didn't even know they made movies here.
No, this one is not the movie.
I know
These ones are the cookers here.
Oh, the
Yeah.
cookers.
Yeah.
Oh, the shows. All right. Let me take this picture of you, Mom.
Don't move.
Oh, so pretty. Expensive hotel.
Yes, it's expensive, but not like Atlantis. Atlantis is the most expensive suite they have.
This is where it costs like $20,000 to stay, right? $27,000.
No, starting here $2,000 maybe a night.
A night.
1,800,
Buddy.
2,000 like this.
The price of
This
this.
is 100,
No.
this is 50, and this is 25.
25.
50 and 100.
And 100.
And then you can select any bottle, madam. For 150, just for you, I give it to you 100.
Okay.
Any bottle.
Oh, look, this one's so cute. I
And
like
it comes in a box.
this one. Okay, I want this one.
Burj Al Arab.
Yes. And the other one. This,
The white
this is
one?
cute. I like this one. Oh my gosh. So these are the fragrances. And then these are the containers that they go in.
How much
They
is
smell
that
so good.
in addition?
I think she said 150 for the bottle. 100 for the bottle.
I give you 100, no problem.
You like that one?
Very nice.
I love smells.
Yes.
That's my favorite thing.
Madam, you can open.
Let me see. Oh, I think that's the one I got. It smells like shampoo. It smells good. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my god, look at the genie lamp. Super pretty.
Melika, I was saying that we're gonna go and come back.
So we ordered a Arabic necklace. I'm really excited to see what it looks like. And yeah, it's just so pretty over here. We're just waiting for the guy to come back to bring it to us. Apparently my lash is falling off. That's what my mom said. We don't need that happening right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And also you have free size.
Let me see, let me see. It's so pretty.
Yes.
Thank you.
شكرا.
We like it, we like it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
So we are on our way to the top of the highest building. Oh, super excited.
You're going to what floor? 120, 425, right?
Yes. Let's do this.
När natthimlen glittrar och de djupa skogarna tystnat, då dansar gruvren. Påtaglig och vacker, iklädd ljusgrå slöja, dansar gruvren.
124?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh, you know what? It's so funny. It's really not as high as I thought it was. It's pretty high, but it's not as scary as I thought it was. A plus?
Yeah.
A plus.
Morgonen gryr och dimman ligger.
So we are back in the Airbnb. Today was a great day, chill vibes, but I'm tired now, so I'm going to drink my tea and then head to bed because tomorrow we have a big day ahead of us. We're doing the desert safari tomorrow. It's gonna be lit. I'm excited about it. All right, so I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna get in that bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Can you guys believe I'm still awake? So it's 7 o'clock now. It's 10 p.m. in the States. I really should have bought some type of sleeping pills or something because I'm wide awake. And then we have our safari at 2 or 3 o'clock, so hopefully I can get some sleep. I'm pretty sure I'll knock out in the next hour or so. Nothing's working. So I haven't talked to you guys all day, but we are headed to the safari. We're just stopping at the mini mart to grab something like water and use the bathroom, and then we're headed to the desert now, so we're about to start the safari.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Sign me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender.
Oh, hey. Welcome to the desert, guys. Yes. So we're out here taking pictures, and ooh, on top of this hill, the sun is beautiful.
Hi! I'm in the desert! Yeah. Keep throwing. Keep throwing. Take a whole spade, Malika, a whole spade.
Tracy. That's exactly what she's doing.
Oh, how was it? Loved it. Okay, let's take a picture.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig, på det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det, du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby, och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än det. Aldrig, aldrig,
Spin around now. I'm dizzy now.
Tonight was a good night.
A beautiful one. Nothing can be better than this.
Did you have fun?
Real fun. Good.
Good morning from Dubai. So I didn't get to talk to you guys a lot yesterday, but I had a great time and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And today we are doing helicopter riding. I'm really excited about that. Just around the city and seeing like the different highlights. But I gotta get ready because I'm late per usual, and I'll see you guys when I'm dressed. All right, so I'm ready to go. Let's do it. All right.
Oh, we're going to ground. Just kidding.
You have phone?
Yeah. This city reminds me of New York. I don't know if I said that before, but it really does. And we gotta like flag down the taxi. Oh, I did it on my first try. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Khalifa. Bye.
Ali, Dubai?
Yeah.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, Yeah, how did we end up at this place? So much of us going in ways. I wish it didn't have to be like that.
Helicopter.
Please wake me
Hello.
up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went in too deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find
find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all. Don't want anything to do with.
Alright, we made it in the building on time. They put us in a room, and I don't know what we're doing in here.
Presentation.
Oh, it's a presentation. We're about to watch a presentation about, I guess, safety on the...
You are about to experience Dubai in a way you'll never forget.
Definitely enjoyed myself. Oh! Did you have a good time?
Yes, wonderful. It was nice. It wasn't a bumpy ride or anything.
Well, that's good. Mama had fun, I had fun, so it was fun. It was a good time. We had a good time.
Great time.
Look who's warming up to the camera. Hey guys, so we're back from our helicopter tour. It was amazing. We got to see Dubai from the highest point and it was beautiful. Yeah, it was so beautiful. It was nice to see. So yeah, I'm gonna jump on here for real because I want to show you guys something, and it's like a don't be like me kind of moment. So yesterday we went to Dragon Mart, and it's a bunch of vendors there, and you can buy a whole bunch of different things, mostly like wholesale and things like that. And my mom loves stores like that, so those are one of the stores that make her really happy. And so as soon as we got there, this guy was like, hey, come. So first of all, I didn't know what kind of mall we was going to. I just knew it was like a wholesale kind of mall, but it's one of those malls where everyone's gonna be like, hey, come buy this, come buy this. All right, so somebody's like, hey, come buy this, and then I go and we sit there, and then he keeps like piling stuff on, and then I ended up spending like $500 in perfume, no lie. But it was perfumes that I'm gonna give away anyway, and I'm gonna give them as like souvenirs and stuff like that. So that's good, because I was actually picking out ones that I like. So we were like, because I have to get my cousin that lives in Canada a perfume, and I'm getting a couple other friends some perfumes. But then he started, after that, it was like 3 or 4 perfumes up there, and then he started piling on. He's like, I got a deal for you. And I started piling on, and then he started piling on perfumes. I'm making the story long, but long story short, this is what I came out the store with. This is the first bag that they gave us. It was a free perfume that he gave us, and it was this one. And then it was just, there's like 3 or 4 perfumes in each bag, and some of kind of the same things. Yes, I don't know. I don't know. So I was just like, no more. So he got me really good. I don't even know if he was like the best salesman, or I'm just like easily fluked. I can spend almost $8,000 on that and not have an issue, and then I can spend $500 on this and be like, oh, why did I do that? I knew that's just how I feel. It's just how I feel. But do you know that there's gonna be a lot of people getting perfumes as gifts?
125. 120. 120.
Magkape ka, gang? Ha? Magkape ka? Saan ka nagkakape? Oo, sige.
I don't think these are Dubai shirts. These are kind of like New York shirts, American shirts. No, I don't think this is what she's looking for.
Dubai shirt?
Dubai?
Dubai t-shirt.
Fly Emirates only. Yeah, only fly Emirates. Like this. We have only this.
How much are those?
Oh, these are nice, Mom.
Yeah, this one's old.
It's only 10 dirham. $3. But you look like 20.
Yeah, 5 dirham. Yeah, 10 dirham. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you so much. Hi. Hi, how are you? Good.
Sit. കുറച്ച് കൂടുതൽ വാങ്ങിക്കോ. നല്ല Ma'am, I will put this in the car and come back, okay?
I will.
Hey guys, so we are back home safe and sound. I had a great day today. Everything was fun, like the helicopter ride, shopping today. Everything was real good. Everything was real good. Now I got a exam to do for my class. I'm gonna get that done. It's 25 questions, 45 minutes to do it on a lockdown browser. Drinking some tea. And we're just gonna get that done. Oh, also, you guys, henna. I don't know if you guys got to see it really good before, but this is it. It looks messy now, obviously, because it started peeling, but I can't wait to see it when it's done peeling. And it looks really good. And apparently it gets darker. I've never had I've had henna, but I haven't had like good henna. I think this is gonna be good henna. We'll see though. All right, let's get to this exam. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. We're done. So we got a 96 on our exam. Go us. And it's really late. What time is it? I don't even know. Okay, almost 1 o'clock. So we got some things we have to do. We have to get ready for tomorrow because we have to wake up at, what time do we have to wake up? 9 o'clock? No, we gotta be there for 9 o'clock. So we gotta wake up. So we actually gotta wake up at 7, you think? Okay, so we're going to take a shower and go to bed. Because really and truly, I had already picked out my clothes. Let's see what we're wearing tomorrow. Okay, so I don't usually put my clothes in the closet. I don't usually do that, but I had so many and I was going through my suitcase and it was stressing me out. So, okay, I know exactly what I'm wearing. We're wearing this, yes. Why does this have a tag on it? Because most of my clothes have tags on it. Do not judge me. Yes, so I know what I'm wearing. And then bathing suit is in this drawer down here. We put like all the things in it. Not that y'all want to see my pennies and stuff like that. With this, it's a cute, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow, I swear. So bathing suit, shoes, we Gucci. All right, now it's just time to take a shower and pretty much go to bed. And I'm gonna take a shower like this. Somehow I'm gonna have to take a shower like this because I don't want to mess up my henna. So I'm gonna like have one hand like this when I take a shower. Because I really don't want to mess it. I don't know how this works, but I really don't want to mess it up. Because I want it to come out nice and dark. Because I've gotten henna before and it did not last long. But like an Indian lady did it from India. Like she's from India. So I just assumed that. And not only is she from India, she made the henna herself. And it's organic. So I actually bought some henna as well. So hopefully this works. Because then I'm going to do like those freckle things with this. And the color's coming out good so far. Alright, so honestly I'm going to tell y'all good night. And then I'm going to get ready for bed. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow, maybe on the yacht. Because knowing me, I'm going to get up late, have to put on my makeup weight and all that stuff. So, yeah. Good night, guys. So we're walking to our yacht tour, and yeah, we live, or we're staying over there. So basically it was across the street, and we took a taxi, and then the taxi let us off at the end of the road, and now we're just walking in to where the yacht is supposed to be. Hopefully we're in the right spot. We're on time because I got up really early. I don't know how. I worked off of like 4 hours of sleep, and I got coffee this morning. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, Pepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto, baby, nice.
Y'all, I didn't realize, but that is where we're staying at. That little building right there. So maybe we might go for a walk.
That'd be nice, thanks.
Mom, you want to go for a walk?
In the night, not day. Sun too hot.
So no walking.
There's no breeze.
There is no breeze. But look, by the time we can take shade all the way over there. We can do this, Mommy. Come on. I'm gonna get her to exercise today. It's literally like, we can make it. It's really not that far, look. It's right there. It's not that far. See y'all, we're getting closer and closer. It's right there. We can get it. Look at the beautiful scenery, Mom.
I know. Malika, feel the hot sun in your skin.
It's not that hot. Okay, it is that hot. Ooh, you know what I realized? I realized that you guys haven't seen me eat. So you're probably wondering, is she eating? And if I'm eating, why am I not showing y'all good food? Well, that's because I haven't been eating out. So my mom has been cooking. Well, not been cooking. She cooked. When we first came, we went to the grocery store. And we got some groceries. And she cooked. I'm not talking your name, Mom. I'm saying that you cooked for us so that we didn't eat out. That's good. So we didn't taste any real Dubai food. But it worked out because I always love my mama cooking. And we also had breakfast at home. Like we had eggs and tea basically. And then whatever our tours consisted of, like this tour, we had breakfast. And Mom, what other tour did we go on that have food? Oh, we went to the safari that had food as well.
Yeah, but the only one they had food was the helicopter ride.
Yeah, so the helicopter ride didn't have food, but we had water. So there's that. But yeah, so most of the time we've just been eating at home. It's been good. That go all the way over? No, right?
Malika, please don't give me extra walk, you know.
How am I giving you extra walk? It's the same walk. It's not an extra walk. It's like literally the same walk.
If you're going to the wrong place, you got torn back and you got to go somewhere else.
I never said we're turning around. We're going straight. I said, where does this go? Because this goes there. So it goes to pair 7. I was wondering, where does this circle go?
Where's our building?
Our building is right here. We're gonna get her to exercise today, y'all. It's right here. I don't want to lose my mask. Has like 500 cases. No problem, we can sit. But we exercising today. Huh? This is our apartment right here, Mom. We just gotta. Do you see the bridge? We just gotta go across it. Okay, no problem. I'll go get you some water. I'll get her water, but we're exercising today. If we take a cab now, nobody's gonna take us seriously. It's literally right across the street. Right there. They're closed, Mommy. They're closed? Mm-hmm. We're hot. We're tired. And home is right over there. Right there. You ready? Let's do this, Mama! This is us. Oh, you the blue thing. Yeah, we can take a picture here. So proud of her. Thugging it through. We are right there. We just gotta cross there. Swim? You wanna swim? Yeah. We can try. I'm down.
God, this is short as this.
Rules are meant to be broken. Yeah, right there. On this thing is a walkway, and then come down and walk right here.
On which thing?
The bridge.
At the bottom of the bridge is a walkway.
No, Mom, on the bridge. On the two sides. Getting closer. We just gotta go over this bridge. Walk a little bit. And there we are. Almost there, Mama. Almost there. Oh shit. It's a different type of hot out here. So right now we got a little bit of shade, right? But then we gotta go on that bridge. Ain't no shade up there. Shit, when we get on that bridge, boy, gonna be hot. Last level. How we doing, mama? So how we doing? All right. A champ and a trooper. Right there. All right, guys. We made it. Woo! Mom, we made it. No excitement. Huh?
Thank you for the ramen.
Yes, obviously you're strong.
7 degrees.
You're stronger than... It's 107, but you're strong. Mommy, look at that. You just walked from all the way over there. I don't even know how far that was. How long did that take? I don't know. But we made it. That was almost an hour. It's cool in here. Hello. Oh yeah, it feels good. Do you guys have Amazon? Do you guys have Amazon? You do? For real? Dang. That's what's up. Yeah, boy.
So, the face.
Everything. Oh, it's hot out there. Good job. High five. Yes.
Did it.
And the winner is
140 degrees.
It's actually 140 today. We are officially back.
No ice. Oh, it is right there. You have to walk so far.
Alright, so we are getting ready to head out again. We are going to the mall, basically. Because I really want to go to Misguided. We didn't get to go last time because I didn't see it. And then when we were watching the aquarium, when we did the Burj Khalifa, and then after that we went to the aquarium, through the glass I saw Misguided, and I was like, oh my god. I've never been in a Misguided store. I just shop online. It's a UK store, so I'm really excited to see like what they have. I'm ready to like spend money in there. I love Misguided. So that's the plan. We have met some really cool people on the yacht, and they're going jet skiing tomorrow, and they was like, you want to go? I'm like, yeah, I want to go. They're like, when you leaving? I'm like, Wednesday. And so I was ready to go jet skiing, and then my mom's like, you know we leave Tuesday, right? Yes, I didn't even remember. So we leave Tuesday and we get back Wednesday. So this is actually our last day in Dubai, and I didn't even realize that. We leave tomorrow night, so tomorrow daytime, I guess, is just kind of preparing to leave kind of thing. So we're gonna go get our COVID test now. Hopefully we get it back within a few hours. This was not thought through. I'll do better next time. So we decided that we're gonna take the train to the mall just for the experience. So let's see how this goes.
4 in the morning, you got me up all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and makeup, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right, baby let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If if you call me, I'm gonna pick up the phone. If you tell me, I'm gonna meet you alone. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right away. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right way. I'm gonna treat you right every night. I'm gonna treat you right every day. I'm gonna treat you right, treat you right. When we're out dancing, you on my hips, me on your lips, so sweet. Both understanding. When we're a team, nothing can get to me. I'm yours for the taking. Every part, all of my heart you get. I don't fear nothing when I'm with you, and baby, when you're with me. You call me every night, call me every day. I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom ba da boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say. If you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way.
Good morning. We are on our last day in Dubai. Like, can you believe it? It is actually here. I've been sitting here just like reminiscing, taking everything in that's happened in the last couple of days of this week. And man, it just kind of brought up how I got here. And I wanted to talk to like my younger audience in your early 20s who sees a video like this and you're like, wow, like I want to be like her. You know? I have a quick message and I just really want to put this out in the world, in the atmosphere. I do not travel business class or first class all the time. This is probably like my third time ever flying out of economy. I usually fly economy. This is the first time I've ever flown business class. This is the first time I've ever blown like 30,000 on a trip, and I did that on purpose. I allocated for the money that I've spent, and I did this because I haven't taken a vacation or a real vacation in years, to me, because I've been working really hard just to get here. And because of that, I couldn't afford it, right? We go on the internet and we see people living these luxurious lifestyles, and I don't want anyone to watch this video and feel like it happened overnight. If you are in a place right now where you're working really hard to get where you're going, continue, grind. You don't have to spend money on anything right now, right? Because you guys see this, but you guys didn't see when I was working 3 jobs and crying at night because I'm still going to school, right? You can see that. You can see me working 60 hours a week, 100 hours a week. You didn't see any of that. You hear me talk about it. But that is what this is. This isn't, you know, somebody giving me money or having a sponsor or having somebody pay for my bills or anything. This is legitimately hard work, and this is usually how it happens in the world. And that's why I wanted to say this. Like, you're in your early 20s right now. It's okay to be broke. It's okay to be living paycheck to paycheck. Right now, you're paving the way for future you. I always say this, like, you want future you to be proud of you. That is the point. So you don't have to go out and buy a Louis bag because you see somebody with a Louis bag. You need to save your money, and then when you can afford things like this, then you do it. When you can afford to buy that YSL bag, then you buy it. And even then, if you can't buy it 3 times or 4 times over minimum, then you cannot afford it, right? So that's basically my soapbox. I just want everybody to know that it's possible. It's not, there's no shortcuts. You have to work hard. You have to put in the time in whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. I don't know if this saying is, if it's how it says, but this is how I'm going to say it. Luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So what you have to do is keep preparing for what you want in life. Before we spend money on all these luxurious items or luxurious trips, we got to make sure that we're saving, investing, we have businesses. That's what matters the most. And that's what I wanted to get across, because I don't want, you know, I don't want people to look at this video like I want to be like her, and then I influence someone to just do something silly like just blow their paycheck on coming to Dubai or something like that. No. This trip was thought out and planned out for a really long time. I knew I was coming here. I knew I was throwing money. I knew this was a luxury trip for me, and I can see that money disappear and still be comfortable with life. If you can't do that, then it's not your time. That is okay. But anyway, I'm ranting, and I'm always ranting. But seriously, that's what matters to me. It really matters to me that it comes up, that comes across in this video. Like, it matters to me. Okay. I'm gonna drink my coffee and watch the sunrise, y'all. Because it's beautiful. Look at it. Yo, I'm out here eating my breakfast, and there's this fucking bird. Sorry, there's this bird. Oh my God! My Jesus Lord! Please go away. Please go away. Man! Stop! Go away. Yeah. Mommy. I want it to go away. Why is it not going away? Why? Oh shoot, he flew away. Mommy. Mommy took a towel. Mommy took a towel. That's funny, that's funny. Oh shoot. I was just out here minding my business, and here comes that dang bird. I thought it was gonna attack me. Mommy makes the best French toast, by the way.